Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take liquid vitamin B12. First, always confirm your specific dosage with a healthcare professional to ensure you're taking the correct amount for your needs. Before each use, gently shake the bottle to mix the solution thoroughly. Then, use the dropper that comes with the product to measure your dose precisely. This ensures you get the right amount every time. Once you've measured your dose, carefully place the liquid directly under your tongue. This sublingual method allows for better absorption into your bloodstream. Hold the liquid there for about 30 to 60 seconds, giving it time to absorb effectively. After this period, you can swallow any remaining liquid. It's a simple process that maximizes the vitamin's benefits. For optimal results, try to take your liquid B12 at a consistent time each day. This helps maintain steady levels in your body. Proper storage is also key. Keep the bottle in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight or extreme temperatures. Always ensure the cap is tightly sealed after each use to preserve its potency and freshness. Following these steps helps ensure effectiveness. Always consult your doctor if you experience any unusual side effects or have concerns about your vitamin B12 intake. It's crucial not to exceed the recommended daily dosage unless advised by a healthcare professional. Remember, consistency and proper use are vital for getting the most from your supplement. Also, for a fresh car, check out the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. You can find a link to that and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.